Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of day trading. If you've ever been curious about what all the buzz is about, you're in the right place. Ever wondered what day trading is all about? It's a term you might have heard thrown around, but what does it really mean? Imagine a bustling marketplace where traders zip in and out buying and selling shares, all within a single day. It's like a high-speed auction where every second counts. The goal? Catch small price moves, make quick decisions, and never hold shares overnight. It's all about capitalizing on short-term market fluctuations. It's fast-paced, exciting, and requires a sharp mind and steady nerves. Traders need to be quick on their feet, constantly analyzing data and making split-second decisions. When a trade works out, it's a thrill to see those numbers turn green. The feeling of a successful trade is exhilarating, like hitting the jackpot in a casino. But beware, there's real risk. Prices can turn against you in a flash. One moment you're up, and the next, you could be facing significant losses. Success means managing both the wins and the wobbles. It's about balancing the highs and lows and maintaining a level head through it all. Today, I'll walk you through a typical day in my trading workshop. From the moment I sit down at my desk to the final trade of the day, you'll get an insider's look. We'll see how a trader prepares, acts, and wraps up the day. Preparation is key, and every decision made throughout the day is crucial. Ready for the adventure? Let's get started. Buckle up, because the world of day trading is a thrilling ride. Before trading, you need the right gear. No pajamas allowed. Start with a reliable computer and a big screen to track charts and news. A fast, stable internet connection is essential. Delays can cost you. Set up your trading software and make sure it's ready to go. Choose a handful of stocks you know well, your daily watch list. Do your homework on these companies so you're not trading blindly. The most important tool? Your mindset. Stay calm, focused, and disciplined. Don't chase yesterday's losses. Every day is a fresh start. Stick to your plan, accept that not every trade will work, and keep emotions in check. Approach the market like a cool-headed inventor, not a flustered penguin. The hour before the market opens is for preparation, not panic. Scan news headlines for overnight events that could move stocks. Check pre-market activity to spot which stocks are lively. Narrow your focus to stocks in play for the day. Double-check your trading platform and charts. No technical hiccups allowed. Review your trading rules, how much to risk, when to avoid trading, and your entry-exit criteria. This routine calms nerves and sets a disciplined tone. With everything checked, you're ready for the opening bell. Let's see what the day brings. Every good trader starts with a plan, a clear, written set of rules. For each trade, answer: where do I enter? Where do I exit if I'm wrong? Where do I take profit? Entry: wait for a specific pattern or setup on your chart, not just a hunch. Stop loss: decide in advance where you'll cut your losses. This keeps risk under control. Profit target: know where you'll take your winnings. Don't get greedy, stick to your plan. These three steps: entry, stop loss, and target, turn trading from gambling into a calculated business. The plan is your blueprint. Trust it. Don't let emotions override your rules. Consistency is key to long-term success. With a solid plan, you're ready to trade smart. Let's peek at my trading setup, the nerve center of the operation. My main tool is the candlestick chart, showing price movements over time. I use indicators like moving averages to spot trends and volume to gauge interest. My trading platform lets me place orders and see real-time data. The Level 2 screen reveals where big buy and sell orders are waiting. All these tools help me make quick, informed decisions. It takes practice, but soon your setup becomes your trusted co-pilot. With everything in place, I'm ready to act when opportunity knocks. The opening bell rings. Chaos erupts. Prices jump everywhere. I usually watch the first few minutes, letting the frenzy settle. Patience is vital. Rushing in can lead to mistakes. Once things calm down, I scan my watch list for setups that match my plan. Spot a stock, say, Cracking Cheese Co., showing a steady climb and strong volume. That's my signal. I calculate my position size, place my buy order, and set my stop loss and profit target. The plan is in motion. Now I let it play out. No chasing every move, just waiting for the right opportunity. Discipline keeps me safe from the market's wild swings. The real work is sticking to the blueprint, not chasing excitement. My trade in Cracking Cheese Company is live. I've been eyeing this stock for a while and today seemed like the perfect opportunity to jump in. The setup was just right, and I felt confident in my analysis. The price wobbles, but I trust my plan. Every trade has its ups and downs, and this one is no different. I remind myself to stay calm and stick to my strategy, knowing that patience is key in these moments. Soon, it hits my profit target. Trade closed, a tidy win. The feeling of seeing your plan come to fruition is exhilarating. It's moments like these that make all the hard work and preparation worth it. No time to celebrate, I'm ready for the next setup. In trading, you can't rest on your laurels. The market is always moving, and there's always another opportunity around the corner. Later I spot a short trade in Wrong Trousers Tech, which is falling fast. This stock has been on my radar for a potential short, and now it's showing the signs I've been waiting for. I borrow shares, sell, and set my stop loss and target. It's crucial to have a plan in place before entering a trade, especially when shorting. The risk is higher, but so is the potential reward. This time the trade turns against me and hits my stop loss. It's disappointing, but losses are part of the game. What matters is how you handle them. It's a small, controlled loss, no drama. By sticking to my stop loss, I've managed to keep the loss minimal. It's a reminder of the importance of discipline in trading. The key is following the plan, win or lose. Consistency is what separates successful traders from the rest. It's not about winning every trade, but about managing each one effectively. One win, one loss, a normal day's work. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Each day brings new challenges and opportunities, and it's all part of the journey. Trading is about managing both outcomes with discipline. Whether you're up or down, staying level-headed is crucial. Emotions can cloud judgment, so it's important to remain calm and focused. No trade is perfect, but sticking to the rules keeps losses small and profits steady. The market is unpredictable, but a solid plan provides a framework to navigate it. Review, learn, and move on. That's the trader's way. Each trade is a lesson, and by reflecting on them, we become better traders. The journey is ongoing, and the learning never stops. As the day ends, I close all trades, no overnight risks for a day trader. The real work begins, reviewing every trade in my journal. I log what I traded, why, and whether I followed my plan. Wins and losses are both learning opportunities. Patterns emerge. What works, what doesn't. The journal isn't for blame, but for growth. If I managed risk and stuck to my rules, it's a successful day, profit or not. With the day's lessons noted, I shut down my platform. Time for a well-earned break and a slice of Wensleydale. Thinking of trying day trading? It's an exciting world, but it's also full of risks and challenges. If you're just starting out, remember, start slow and safe. Don't rush in with big dreams of instant riches. Take your time to understand the process and build your skills step by step. The best way to begin is by using a paper trading account. This lets you practice with pretend money, so you can get a feel for the markets without risking your hard-earned cash. Spend several weeks or even months practicing until you're consistently profitable. Treat it like a real account, track your trades, analyze your results, and learn from your mistakes. When you finally decide to go live, start with tiny amounts. Don't be tempted to go all in just because you had a few good practice runs. The real market can be unpredictable, and emotions run high when real money is on the line. By starting small, you protect yourself from big losses while you continue to learn. Remember, the goal at this stage isn't to get rich quick. It's to learn, to build good habits, and to develop a process that works for you. Focus on understanding how the market moves and how you react to wins and losses. Only risk what you can afford to lose. This is one of the most important rules in trading. Never put your rent money, savings, or emergency funds on the line. Treat trading as a learning experience, not a gamble. Educate yourself as much as possible. Read books, watch videos, and seek out real traders who share their honest experiences. Be wary of internet gurus who promise easy profits. There are no shortcuts in trading. The more you learn, the better prepared you'll be for the ups and downs. Keep your charts simple. Don't get lost in a sea of indicators and complicated setups. Focus on the basics: price, support, resistance, and volume. These are the building blocks of every successful trading strategy. A clear, simple plan beats a complicated one every time. Write down your rules for entering and exiting trades and stick to them. Simplicity helps you stay focused and avoid emotional decisions. Trading is as much a mental game as it is a numbers game. Discipline and risk management matter most. Learn to control your emotions, stay calm under pressure, and never chase losses. The best traders are patient, focused, and resilient. Losses and mistakes are part of the journey. Don't let them discourage you. Instead, treat every setback as a lesson. Review your trades, figure out what went wrong, and use that knowledge to improve. Never let one bad trade ruin your account. Always use stop losses and set limits to protect yourself. Your number one job is to survive and keep learning. Be patient. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Success in trading takes time, practice, and persistence. Don't compare your progress to others. Focus on your own journey. With careful planning, steady practice, and a willingness to learn from every experience, you'll be ready for your own grand adventure in the markets. Remember, every great trader started as a beginner. Cheerio, and happy trading.